Alrighty, so today we're gonna be making burritos with potato, spam, and egg. Something nutritious and simple to make. So you cut up your potatoes into your desired size. You go half like this. Then once it's in two halves, you start cutting it as thinly as you want it. Little side note: make sure your pan or whatever you put your oil in is preheated. Make sure it's already hot before you start putting your potatoes in it. And once your pan is already preheated, or whatever you're using to put oil in, put your oil in, leave it on high or whatever for a while. You start seeing little bubbles come out, or it's already been there for like more than 5 minutes on high. Then you could test it by putting a potato halfway in, and if it starts sizzling or causing a different reaction, that means your oil is ready. So in that case, the more thinly sliced your potatoes are, the more faster your food is going to be ready. Also, if you're going to be taking long, or if in case your bowl or bowl shaped pan or metal, I don't know, is pretty much full, like mine is getting right now, you could dip your potatoes in a bowl of salt, and it's gonna keep them fresh. So the spam, you're gonna be cut it into halves first. I believe it came like, I was trying to figure this out, but like something like this, with just, goddamn, I feel like I'm doing a puzzle. Oh. Ah. Or, well, something like that. Anyways, you're gonna cut it in half like that. Then you're gonna have two halves, and then that half is, you're just gonna lay it down like that, and then boom, cut it like that. And then once you have your halves like this, start slicing it up into small little pieces like this. Oh yeah. We're gonna be using paprika for the potatoes. Once your potatoes start going like this, always be attentive of what you're cooking in fire, in your stove or whatever. Always be attentive. So yeah, just a good little thing to know. Alright. Also, the oil that I used today was grapeseed oil. I'll let you guys know how it tastes at the end, but once they're out, before you take them out, you're gonna wanna put some napkins in a flat plate or whatever type of plate, but make sure you got layers on napkins, because as you see, since I didn't put layers of napkins on the plate, now I can't really take off the oil. So final step, one of the final steps, add the paprika, just however. I recommend doing it in the mixing in a bowl, so you can do this. Oh shit.
Voila.
Alrighty, for your spam, it's being cooked the same color as it is right now. And also I added some lemon infused onions. I don't know what it's gonna taste like, but I have an idea, so yeah, I'll be letting you guys know. Here's a little side. Now for the preparation of the burrito. You're gonna wanna add your huevito. Alright, this part. Even it all out pretty much. Have a center line. Do this on both sides. And then just pretty much make sure everything stays under the tortilla. And it's almost there. See where I messed up? The top, I didn't really pay too much attention to that, so I gotta redo it all over because, yeah, my tops are open. Oh shit, make sure your tortilla is heated up properly, if not this is gonna happen. Well, you always know that number one is done. Oh shit, same problem. Well, I mean only on one side now. But you guys get the point, right? I'll be doing another one right now in a bit. Alright, attempt number dos. Oh yeah, if you cook your spam on both sides, it's gonna come out a bit crunchy, but not too crunchy, depending on how long you have it on the stove for. Seems like a challenge. El tiki. Oh shit. Voila. Kind of cheating right now by holding this down, but hey, practice makes perfect. Alright, third time the charm. Or so they say. Maybe this time I'll balance it out more better. Oh shit. Oh damn. The trick is, I guess, what I'm learning, is to make sure everything is centered and has a good, I guess, foundation. And this is where it gets tricky. Hey! That's my stomach. Guess I'm hungry. Still. Hey, third time is the charm. Thank you very much, and y'all have a good day. Enjoy.